welcome back to another episode of 904 Fishing. We are out here at Jacksonville Beach, same place I always fish at. We got Matthew in town, bringing up the rods right now. We're gonna run rod out, putting out another rod. I'm gonna put on the GoPro, and we'll get out there. I don't know if that's something or waves. All right, so we are out here. I'm gonna try to keep my hair out of the way because I was watching the last video and I got hair everywhere. So we're gonna try to minimize that this time. Reel, reel. Keep your rod up. Keep your rod up. There you go. Ooh, whiting. First fish of the day. Matthew. Perfect size whiting. We're gonna cut him up. Oh no, croaker. You guys hear that? Yeah, you can hear him croaking. What? It's fine. Just listen. I'm holding him. Isn't that weird? I'm gonna cut this up, throw him out for bait. Yeah, that's something, that's something. Looks like a better fish, honestly. It's hard to tell with that rod, you know. Another nice croaker for Matthew.
Oh, I got him.
You got him? Okay. Matt's got him, he says. All right, we're not gonna keep him because we already got the other half of the other one, so we're gonna throw him back. Yeah, you can hear him croak. It's kind of cool, isn't it? I don't know if I have something or it feels like I do. Oh yeah, I definitely got something. There's a little tiny whiting there. A little parasite on him. Alright, so we got some fresh mullet, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of my 4/0 hooks here and I'm gonna throw them on that tree rig, cut up some mullet, and try that. See if we can't get something a little bigger than what we're getting on the shrimp. But those are the size hooks that we're using as compared to the 1/0s and 2/0s that we have on here right now. These are 4/0. So hopefully we'll be able to hook up into something a little bigger. Mullet should be good bait this time of year, and it's good that we're finding them because that means that if the mullet are running, then there's things out there chasing them. So that's exactly what we want. Camera's now on Matthew. We're getting some hits on the mullet that we got over here, but we're gonna throw out some more shrimp, see if we can't get something else. Hey Matt, Matt. All right, we still got it here. Ready? Keep the tension, keep the tension. Keep the tension, keep the rod up. That's good, that's a good one, Woo! Keep the tension, keep reeling, don't stop reeling. You're good, you got it. All right, Matt's fish, peel and drag. There we go. All right, come on. Keep reeling. There it is. Get a shot of him. Keep the rod up, I think it's a catfish. Oh no, that's a shark. Woo!
Oh wow.
Oh yeah. Good job, Matt.
That's a nice. Wow.
That's a good size shark.
That's a good size.
That's the biggest I pulled off the beach here. Yeah. Alright, let's get him unhooked, take a quick picture, and get him released. You don't let go, okay? Just grab it right behind the head, right where I got it, okay? Okay, ready? I got it. I'll hold them out. There you go. Go ahead. There you go. All right. And now grab the other side. Grab the other side. Oh, you're good. Yeah, you're good. Hold it. That's what they smell like. All right, I'm gonna let him go, okay? Or do you want to let him go? What species? I don't think we can keep this one. Close to the teeth. Focusing. We might have to autofocus it. Dude. We're gonna let this guy go. Woo! Okay, he's good. Whoa! Touched me. Woo! Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. I let him go and he turned around and came back at me.
Sir, watch out with that.
Hell yeah. And that's a small one. Oh yeah.
How big would you say that was?
Oh, well, I'd say every bit of 3 feet.
Let's just say 4 feet.
Stop. No, don't be one of those guys, okay? It was definitely...
Let's just say 6 feet.
Look, all I'm saying is state record.
That was awesome. What
Dude, that was
on?
sick.
Was that on?
Cut mullet. Dude, I'm telling you,
Biggest shark.
it's the mullet. That's the biggest shark we pulled off the beach this year. Did you like hearing that drag feel?
Yeah.
The thing about sharks though is you want to make sure I try to not keep them out of the water for more than a minute.
Yeah.
That's fantastic, dude. 10 out of 10. All right, go put that back in the rod holder. Nice job, man. I'm really proud of you. We have to reset all the rods because it actually it hit this rod and I think the other one is too shallow, so we're gonna have to reset everything. Kimber with another fish. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah.
Shark?
Another shark. We're gonna let this guy go real quick. You gotta let the baby ones go quick because they All right. You feel him? Is he good to go? Let him go. Oh yeah, he's good. He's good. There he goes. Wait, hang on. Yeah, he's good. He just swam off.
Coming back.
Runs away.
Good release. Okay.
Watch him. Looks like he's turning around.
I don't see him. All right, yeah, he's good. All right, all right. Good release.
That's the problem you have with the baby one. There's a dolphin in the background over there. Woo! It's a ladyfish. Babe, it's a ladyfish. Hey. Awesome, Matthew. Pretty sure that's a ladyfish. Looks like the one that I caught. Pretty sure that's a ladyfish. So we're gonna keep this as bait for sharks. Nice
Yep.
ladyfish. Is this your first ladyfish?
This is my first ladyfish.
Cool. I'm gonna cast this thing out with it. I think I got something. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I got something. Honestly, I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell.
It's very calm today compared to how it has been.
I don't know. Maybe. It feels heavy if I've got something. Maybe I'm snagged on something. I don't know. Oh, no, that's definitely pulling. See that? Rod tip there? Yeah, see that? That's definitely pulling. All right, watch out. Careful.
Oh yeah, you're right, it does.
Does it have a wind on its head?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can't keep him then.
Go. Okay. Big old fat. So you got to be careful with these. They have barbs right there, and they're venomous. I got stung by one a couple weeks ago. We're gonna let this guy go carefully.
Oh, he's coming back.
Back. Hang on. Back up.
Nice job, babe.
All right. So one of the downsides to them is when after you touch them, you're covered in this slime. It's super annoying to get off, but
Just rub some sand on it.
still a fish. Oh yeah.
A shark or a sailfish? Sailfish?
Where's it at? Yeah.
Sailfin, babe.
Yeah. What's getting stuck? one's very... Oh, okay. Back up.
Okay, quick release. All right.
Out.
Alright, I know it's probably windy, but we just caught a bluefish. Well, Matthew caught a bluefish. He's caught one of these before, but I wasn't filming then, so we're gonna throw this guy back. We don't really need him. He's not big enough to eat, so we're gonna throw him back.
Good job, Matthew.
Alright. Bite's kind of slowing down. We might leave in a little bit. I don't know. You saw a what jump?
A walleye.
Where?
Over there.
Nuh-uh.
I swear.
No.
I swear to God.
No.
I promise.
You didn't.
Then I just saw something fly out of the water.
You know how I know it wasn't a walleye?
How?
Walleye are freshwater fish.